ready to unlock the full potential of your website by switching from Squarespace to WordPress. This comprehensive guide will show you how, step by step. First, we need to prepare your Squarespace content for export log into your Squarespace account and navigate to your site settings. Look for an advanced or data import-export option. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your Squarespace version. Within the export settings, you'll find options to download your content. You'll want to select all the available content types, including pages, blog posts, images, and any other relevant data like products. If you have an e-commerce store, crucially, you'll typically be given a choice between different export formats. Look for an option that outputs in a structured format like JSON or XML, which WordPress can readily understand. Click the Export button, and your content will be packaged into a downloadable file. Usually a zip archive. Save this file to a location on your computer where you can easily find it later. Now let's set up your new WordPress home. If you don't already have a WordPress website, you'll need to sign up for web hosting and install WordPress. Many hosting providers offer one-click WordPress installation, making this process incredibly straightforward. Once WordPress is installed and you're logged into your dashboard, we'll begin the import process. Go to the Tools menu and select Import. You might see a specific Squarespace importer tool available, which is ideal. If not, you can often use a general importer that handles XML or JSON files. Select the appropriate importer and click Run Importer. This will present you with an option to upload the file you downloaded from Squarespace. Locate and select the exported content file from your computer. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the import. WordPress will then process your data. This may take a few minutes depending on the size of your website. After the import is complete, it's crucial to review your site. Check your pages, blog posts, and images in the WordPress dashboard to ensure everything has transferred correctly. You might need to manually reassign some categories or tags, or re-embed media. Finally, you'll want to choose a WordPress theme that complements your brand and start customizing your new look with your content securely migrated. You're now free to explore the vast customization options WordPress offers. Congratulations! You've successfully migrated your website from Squarespace to WordPress. You're now on a platform built for flexibility and growth. Happy building!